Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all might be fine and safe. So, today, children, in grammar, we are going to read about the questions that is given in chapter 4. So, what is a question, children? A question asks the reader something. It begins with a question word. So, what is question? When someone asks you something, okay, then that means he wants to know something from you, and there should be answer for that. And what happens, the question most of the time begins with a question word. Now see here an example of a question: what color is the dog? Now what is question word in this? The question word is what. Okay, here what is the question word? A question starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. So we know that question is also a type of a sentence. Okay, questions also type of sentence, and you know that the question sentence always starts with a capital letter. So here question will also start with a capital letter and it will end with a question mark. This green part, green color, this is the question mark, and that question mark is also called as the mark of interrogation. So question mark is also called the mark of interrogation. Remember this. Now the next one will do what is the difference between the statement and question. Like see here, the blue bird sings loudly. Now the blue bird sings loudly. So what can this be, children? Is this a question? No, this is not a question. Then what is it? It is a statement. Why? Has the word started with a question word? Has the sentence started with a question word? No, the sentence has not started with a question word. You can see here that the sentence has started with the, okay, which is an article. Now how do we know? It tells us something. Now in this is a statement. Then how we know? Because you know that the statement, it declares a fact or tells us about something. Okay, so it tells us something. It does not start with a question word and it cannot be answered. Now when you ask the bluebird sings loudly, then what answer will you give? There is no question asked in it. Okay, so that is not a question. It is a statement. A statement also starts with a capital letter, but it ends with a period. And what is period? Period is full stop. So you know about the full stop. Now let us see. Change the statements into questions. Okay. Can you do it now? Let us revise one time, then more we will know. She is a teacher. How we will write? Is she a teacher? Okay. Then Sam and Lisa are in class. Are Sam and Lisa in class? He is late. Is he late? I am busy. Am I busy? Now let us discuss how we will know about this. How to change into question. See, how do we change statement to questions? One way of changing statements into question is to change the word order. The verb comes first and the subject follows the verb. Now see here what happens. The students are dismissed. In this, the students comes in the first and then are in the second. Now what we will do? We will change the order. The second will go in the first and then the subject, the students will come afterwards. So here it will be, are the students dismissed? I am confused. Now what happens? One subject, second verb, verb will come in front. So that will be am, number one, and then I. Am I confused? Now this has changed to question. Here the students are dismissed. Are the students dismissed? Students dismissed. So that will become the question. I am confused. Am I confused? Question mark. The first you see full stop. Now the next, study how each sentence in the section is changed to question. Mira was scared to ride on the Ferris wheel. So this is a statement. How we will change? See, first we will bring that verb before the subject. Was Mira scared to ride on the Ferris wheel? One fiesta day, her cousin asked her to ride on the Ferris wheel statement. Now how we will change this? Now in this what we will do? Her cousin asked. Now did her cousin, how we will make the question? Did her, now asked. Asked is a verb. In that case that has become in the past tense. So what we will do? We will make it. Did her cousin ask her to ride on the Ferris wheel one fiesta day? So that will become the question. Okay. Now let us see. Change these sentences into question using does, do or did. Jason delivers newspapers. Then Abby, let us see. Okay, wait. First we will learn how to do this. See, we use does, do or does to make a question in the simple sentence. Like do plus I with the I, you, we, they. We use do, okay, auxiliary verb. Then with the he, she, it, with the he, she, it as a subject, we use does when we ask the question. Like do I go, okay, do you go, do we go, do they go, okay. And whatever will be the object, do you go to market or do I go to market, do we go, do they go. Then does he, with the does we will use he, she, it when asking the question. Does he like, does she like, does it like. Now see, you speak English. Now how you will change it to question? So what we have seen, with do, with you, what we will use? You. Now how to ask? Do you speak English? Then he speaks English. Now with he, what do we use? We use does. Okay. He speaks. Now see, S is there with he. And what it has become? Does he speak English? Now see, the base form of the infinitive, that means go, need, speak, live. Then third, with third person, verbs lose the final s in questions. So it like he speaks has been changed to does. That means s has been removed and it speaks has become speak. Now let us see more. Wait. Okay. There is a book on the desk. How we will change it? Let us see first last one. There is a cat on the chair. So how it will become? Is there a cat on the chair? There are cats on the sofa. Are there cats on the sofa? Now we will change the first one. So there is a book on the desk. How we will change? Is there a book on the desk? There are books on the desk. So how we will change? Are there books on the desk? Okay. Then there is some milk in the fridge. Now children, there is some milk in the fridge. Now how you will change? Is there, not to change into question, say. Is there, some will change into any. Is there any milk in the fridge? Now there isn't a pen on the table. So how you are going to write there? Is there. In this, there isn't a pen on the table. So in this case, how you are going to change this? Isn't a pen there on the table? Like this. Now, there aren't any pens here. So how you will change this? Are there not any pens here? Then there isn't any juice. So both the cases you can write. There isn't any juice in the fridge. So is there not any juice in the fridge or isn't there any juice in the fridge? In both the cases you can write this, the negative form. Now see, with the modal verbs can, will, may, must, could, would, might, have to, should, have, ought to, shall, had, better. These are the modal verbs how to make. When we are making a yes no question, we put the modal verb at the beginning of the sentence. So I may visit you tomorrow. So how you will write? May I visit you tomorrow? Like that same. I can visit you tomorrow. You can write can I visit you tomorrow? I will visit you tomorrow. Will I visit you tomorrow? I must visit you. Must I visit you? Like this you can make the question. with the modal verbs. Now see, I shall be late, shall I be late? We shall see you there, shall we see you there? It will rain today, will it rain today? It will not rain today, will it not rain today? You can lend me your book, can you lend me your book? We must not wait for, must we not wait for him? Like this you can change. So now with the verb to be has two forms, have and has for the present tense, and in the for the past it is had. Like I, you, we, they, he, she, it, plus have in the present form or had in the past form. And with he, she, it, we use has in the present form and had in the past form. Like when we are making a yes no question, we put the verb where it is. Have at the beginning of a sentence. You have finished your homework. How you'll ask the question, have you finished your homework? Now, how to answer? Have you solved the problem? Yes, I have. In short, you can say, yes, I have. If in long it is said, yes, I have solved the problem. And if in no you want to say, okay, then how you will say? No, I have not solved the problem, or no, I haven't. Like that in short. Okay, let us see here. I may visit you tomorrow. Question, may I visit you tomorrow? Now in the short answer, yes, you may. No, you may not. Okay. Then statement, you can repeat it. In question, how it will change? Can you repeat it? In short answer, yes, I can. No, I cannot. Or no, I can't also you can say. More shorter. Then he should be late in school. Should he be late in? Should he be late in school? Late is missing. Yes, he should. No, he should not. She would like coffee. Would she like coffee? No. Yes, she would. No, she would not. It might rain tonight. Might it rain tonight? So children, remember how to do. The modal verb bring in front. Yes, it might. No, it might not. We shall come with you. Shall we come with you? Yes, you shall. No, you shall not. You could help me. Could you help me? Yes, we could. No, we could not. Now see here, we why used? Here asking for to more than one person. They must leave today. Must they leave today? Yes, they must. No, they must not. Is the answer, short answer. Now see, am I happy? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Answer. Are you happy? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Then, is he or she or it happy? With he, she, it used is. Yes, he, she or it is. No, he, she, it isn't. Are we happy? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Are they happy? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Remember children, am, is, are, it is you. So answer also you have to give in the same manner. Okay. Do. Now see with do. Do I work? Yes, you do. No, you don't. Asking to the person, do I work? Then the person is saying, yes, you do. Do you work? Now ask to the same person. Or do you work? Saying, yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he, she, it work? Yes, he, she, it does. Now see do and does. With you, we, they and I, we use do. He, she, it, we use does. No, he or she or it doesn't. Do we work? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Do they work? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Come on, let us see question. So here we have seen, I put the keys on the table. How to change? Do I put the keys on the table? She gets up early. Does she get up early? Now does and s. See, s has been changed to does. Coffee grows in Brazil. Does coffee grow in Brazil? You like spend time at home? Do you like spend time at home? Then with you, they write letter to me. They write letter to me? We drank milk. Did we? Now see in the past form. We drank. So it will become did we drink? Okay, remember. So that was do does was for the present tense. Okay, but drank is in the past tense. So did we drink? Okay, did we, and after that that will become in the v1 form. Did we drink? Okay, with we will use drink. He cleaned his room. Did he clean his room? That cleaned is also in the past tense. So children, what you will do to start, you will use did. Okay, did is used for the past tense, as you might have remembered that did we have done for the past tense. So did he clean his room? So thank you everyone. Have a good day.